Greetings and salutations. In this video, we're going to go ahead and set up the data science environment in Conda on Windows 10. To begin, open up your favorite web browser and go to raw.github-content.com/codeless-textbooks/sds/main/ds.yaml. Once there, go ahead and right-click to open up a context menu and press Save As, or use the shortcut Control S. Then go ahead and press Save to save the file into your downloads. And then we're going to go to one more URL. So we're going to go to raw.github-content.com/codeless-textbooks/main/requirements-ds.txt. And we're going to right click again to open the context menu or use Control S. And then we're going to say Save As. And then we're going to save the requirements-ds into the downloads folder. Once done, go down to where you see the ds.yaml, go to Show in Folder, and then what we're going to do is we're going to select both files by holding Command-click, and then we're going to drag the files onto the desktop. So once the files are on the desktop, and you can see them right over there, we're going to go ahead and close out of our File Explorer. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the lower left-hand side, and inside of the search, we're going to type CMD, and we're going to go ahead and press Enter. Once done, what we're going to do next is we're going to type CD space desktop to change our working path into our desktop. Next, we're going to rename a file by saying rename space ds.yaml.txt to ds.yaml and press Enter. When this happens, you'll notice that the ds component changes from .txt into sort of a new code file if you have an editor installed. Then we're going to type conda space env space create space -f space ds.yaml, and we're going to press Enter. Once this is done, what'll end up happening is we're going to download and install all of the data science packages that is required for this Conda environment. The process may take a little bit of time, so feel free to go and get a coffee while this is ongoing. With the Conda environment now installed, we're going to go ahead and type conda space activate space ds and then press Enter to step into the Conda environment that we just created. On the left-hand side, you should see ds after that command is initiated, which means that we are now in the ds environment that was set up. And if we type conda space deactivate and then Enter, we should notice that the ds disappears and we're back in the global Conda environment. Thanks for watching. Hope the video was helpful. See you in the next one. Bye now.